Want to save $10,000 this year? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Let me show you how. Let's face it, saving money in your 20s feels like an impossible task. You have rent, student loans, maybe even credit card debt. And that's not even counting all the things you want to buy. But what if I told you it's not about making more money? It's about making smarter moves? Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start saving. And no, you don't have to cut your avocado toast. Tip number 1, the 50-30-20 rule. Trust me, this is the easiest way to get your finances under control. Here's how it works. 50% goes to your necessities, rent, bills, and food. 30% goes to wants. Yes, the fun stuff like eating out or Netflix. And 20%? That's your savings or debt repayment. Now here's where most people mess up. They spend all of their money on wants and never get to savings. But there's a simple way to make sure you actually stick to this. Tip number 2, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account as soon as you get paid. Even if it's just $50, $100, or $200, make it non-negotiable. You won't even miss it. Out of sight, out of mind. You're already living on what's left, so you don't feel like you're sacrificing much. Tip number 3, cutting out unnecessary expenses. And I'm not talking about canceling your Netflix subscription. Though, let's be real, how many subscriptions do you actually use? Start by reviewing your subscriptions. Do you really need that monthly $20 fitness app if you never use it? How about the unused streaming service? Or the gym membership you've been avoiding? These small costs can add up. Alright, here's the secret hack to save big. It's all about refinancing your loans. If you've got student loans or credit card debt with high interest rates, refinancing can help you cut down on the total interest you're paying, meaning you'll save hundreds of dollars each year. But there's one simple thing that most people miss when refinancing. And if you skip this, you could end up paying way more than you need to. If you start applying these strategies today, budgeting, automating savings, cutting unnecessary expenses, and refinancing, you'll be well on your way to saving $10,000 in your 20s. So, here's what I want you to do. Hit the like button if you found these tips helpful. Comment below with your own money-saving hacks. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical finance tips because let's face it, we all need a little extra cash. Take control of your financial future today. Let's do this together, checking your bank account and feeling that familiar knot in your stomach. Now picture that same account, but this time, it's growing. You're not dreaming, it's possible to save $10,000 this year. It starts with a simple shift in mindset. Track your spending, every coffee, every impulse buy. You'll be amazed at where your money goes. Next, set clear savings goals. Break it down. That's about $833 a month. Sounds daunting? Think of it as a challenge. Automate your savings. Treat it like a bill you can't miss. Cut back on non-essentials, maybe that subscription you forgot about or dining out less. Each small change adds up. And remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to your goal. You've got this.